Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining us today. We know that maraming kailangan gawin during Friday and parating na weekend preparation for family time. But we really appreciate you joining us today for the Supreme Catch Free Business Starter webinar. I believe upon checking our registration po, no, marami po ang mga gustong mag-start. Those are planning pa lang. And there are also yung pong mga already into business. Meron po tayong mga sari-sari store owners. Meron na rin po tayong mga small scale na mga distributors. Meron mga meat shops. And then meron din naman po yung mga ready na for bigger operations and expansion of their business. Ang dami po nating mga uh, applicants and participants for today. So again, thank you very much po for joining me today and my team as well. We appreciate you po for joining us this weekend. Let's just wait for other participants for a few minutes po. And once in 5 minutes, let's start our webinar. This will be just quick for around 30 minutes. And pagka po you have questions, we'll solve that portion. So let's just wait for others po to join. Again, thank you very much for joining us this weekend.
Bring me down to love is true.
Okay, let's start na po. Thank you for waiting. And again, thank you for your interest in this kapartner program of Supreme Catch. We are really excited po to share with you yung opportunity that we've created for how many months para po makatulong especially yung mga gustong mag-start, gustong mag-transition, and of course also to grow your current existing na mga businesses. By the way, I am Dane Lavarias, your marketing and sales lead. Ang good news ko po sa inyo, Together with my team, we are the one po na nag-build nitong program na to. And from the bottom of our hearts, this is made for you. Ginawa po namin siya to augment yung current challenges of our community. No? Ang mahal na ng pamimili, kung wala kang additional or side income, is talagang challenging na po ang panahon natin. And I believe creating this kind of opportunity po would greatly help you in terms of growing your income and giving you an opportunity as well for a long-term business opportunity. So for today is we're going to tackle, and what you're going to learn with us is we're going to introduce to you kung ano po ang aming company, our family, our farm, and bakit kami a perfect partner for you on whatever current journey you have, whether you are starting a business or you already have an existing business, or maybe you're growing your business as well. We will going to show you on why we are a very good partner. So bago po kayo mag-apply sa amin, kami muna ang mag-a-apply sa inyo. And let's see if it's a fit. And secondly is, of course, we're going to share with you for 15 minutes yung opportunity na meron po with Supreme Catch on ano yung inside ng kapartner program and what are the tires and how are we going to help you on not just starting but of course growing your business as well. And then next is, of course, we will show you and guide you kung paano naman po kayo makakapag-start, especially your onboarding for the upon your enrollment after 30 days and up to your 90-day onboarding. And of course, kung paano nyo po siya mapapalago, magkakasama naman po tayo doon. So for your questions, if you have questions po, just please park it on the end session. No? Meron po tayong Q&A portion later. So just write it down muna. Then if you have question, we will tackle it one by one later on. But if you have urgent questions, you can chat it. Let's see if we can entertain it. Para lang po at least maging mabilis yung ating session. There are some participants po na nagmamadali. And again, thank you for joining us. No? We saw on your registration and then kanina po on the introductory session is that we saw meron pong mga naghahanap talaga ng opportunity pa lang, nag-uumpisa ng mag-search, meron po yung mga meron ng side income, but merong mga current challenges with their current supply. So, yun po yung ating isosolve today. Meron din naman po yung mga existing business owners na meron ng mga scale. So, I hope ito po is an expansion and a growth for your existing business. So, let me share with you a quick history of how we started with bangus industry. The good news, and we are very proud that despite Supreme Catch is new in the processing, but in terms of aqua farming, especially in bangus, we are more than 2 decades na po in this industry. And when we say 2 decades of experience in industry, I believe we already knew the in and out of this kind of business, and of course the opportunity na kaya naming may share with you. We've been operating in different cities around the Philippines, and of course we've managed the volume. No? And of course with this kind of partnership, yung pong idea na meron tayong sariling palaisdaan. We can also have our own stories with you. No? No, hindi lang po siya inaangkat na kung saan-saan. So, more than a decade, more than 2 decades of experience po is already a foundation of what we can offer to you as our future business partner. So as well, ayun nga po, pagka siguro yung partner mo is meron ng more than 20 years of experience, is mas panatag ka na alam mong we can grow with you. And the good news on an aqua farming na meron po tayo as our mother company. We call this FNG Aqua Farm, now also a Sunrise Bangus Grower Incorporated. Is that from fingerling and to up to harvest, tayo po ang gumagawa niyan. We know the process. And of course, we already invested ourselves pagdating naman po doon sa idea ng pagpaprocess. We know na processing is a different sector, but imagine, no, from start to processing, tayo po ang gumagawa niyan. We are FDA licensed, and all of the licenses and permits required, we do that. Plus, of course, yung quality is assured since we have our own quality assurance team. And on this one, ang kagandahan niya is that we don't import, we don't get it somewhere else. So we process our own, we take care our own aqua farming, and next is we take care our own supply. No? So that's a guarantee na nakukuha po ninyo na 100% you know that your partner is founded, has a long history in doing this kind of business, and as well, yung integrity po natin have been long staying with the industry. And of course, yung pure Pangasinan heritage is nasa atin po yan. Now, we can brand and position ourselves that we have grown truly in Pangasinan. Next is, bakit bangus and bakit maganda yung opportunity na meron tayo ngayon? The first is, milkfish is a weekly staple sa mga household po ng Pinoy. The demand is stable, and we know that structurally, nasa loob na tayo ng mga bahay ng bawat Pinoy, and of course, bangus is non-seasonal. Another thing is that alam naman po natin yung trend ngayon na most of the household are working and naghahanap na sila ng convenience. So there is a shift in trend. So most of the time, they are looking for the zero prep. Ang tawag nga po sa economics na to is that tayo na yung naghahanap ng tingi-tingi and then gusto pa natin ng mabilis. Kaya nga po kung mapapansin niyo yung convenience stores right now is nasa bawat kanto na siya. And ang dami din pong mga businesses na sa mga gilid-gilid, sa mga kanto-kanto is nakakabili na tayo, such as mga barbecues and as well at kung ano-ano pang mga sari na hanap buhay na meron tayo ngayon with our community. And isa pa po sa opportunity na sana mapagtuunan po ninyong pansin is yung gap pagdating po doon sa frozen na pagkain, na wherein ang gusto nang mangyari is magkaroon ng quality pero mabilis na pagkain. So ito yung nakikita naming gap na meron in terms of our business. Now wherein meron naman silang nabibiling bangus sa talipapa, sa palengke, pero wala po yung nagda-direct selling na nag-a-assure sa kanila na this is a quality product, na nag-a-assure din po sa kanila na this is easy to cook, and alam nila na verified po yung pinanggalingan ng produkto. So yan po yung nakikita nating gap, and the good news is tayo po yun. Kayo po mismo ang magiging distributor at magiging reseller nila sa area nila. That guarantees them that what they are eating is quality. And next is that yung supreme catch is bakit naman kami nagiging best partner para sa'yo? For a while, I just charge my laptop. So, we are your best partner. Why? We have our own vertical integration. So, we own the source. So, ibig sabihin po, this is unstable input in our cost. Stable as well in terms of partner pricing. No? We can stabilize that with you kasi wala na pong ibang nagma-mark up pagdating sa production. Unlike with others, of course, inaangkat nila, merong ahente, merong pang logistics. Unlike with us, straight to our processing plant, which guaranteed and assured na meron po tayong enforced na protected margins. So this is fixedly structured for you and assure na yung pong while doing the business is wala pong gumagalaw na presyo na ina-assure kayo na every time you order, there is a lock-in guaranteed margin for you. And on that case, we can lock in our SRP and then we protect that there will be no price war in terms of handling your business. And then as well, in terms of dealership, we also have that exclusive territory na we can offer to you as well. And of course, we would like to share with you kung kanino po ba built yung mga program na meron under Kapartner program. So the first one is yung pong reseller po na tire. No? So these are made for, katulad po ng mga applicants natin ngayon, marami po na nakasama natin with our current webinar, is yung po mga first-time entrepreneurs. So yung, sila po yung mga naghahanap ng partner na meron ng structure yung pinapasukan nila or yung partner nila. So nagiging low risk po yung pagpasok sa negosyo. Unlike with your starting up from the ground. And then this also is made for yung mga side hustle operators, yung full-time sila sa trabaho nila, pero naghahanap sila ng credible na second income stream para sa kanila naman. And this is also a good opportunity para doon po sa mga stay-at-home na parents, no, na meron na silang active community. And then in place na po yon, ang kulang na lang is produkto at yung programa para makapag-start na sila. And then pwede rin po to sa mga OFW families, mga sari-sari store owners, and of course yung mga online sellers, you are very welcome in this kind of program. And then syempre, kahit market vendor ka na, if you want a quality product, we can also partner on that under this tire. And then ang pinaka gusto-gusto ko rin po sana is sana makatap tayo dun sa mga retirees o yung mga bago mag-retire, meron na pong opportunity na katulad nito. No? And then yung naman pong mga medyo pagod na and of course gusto na mag-transition in terms of their career. So gusto muna nila mag-build ng foundation before mag-leave ng employment. This is also a good opportunity for you. No? But of course, despite na we already built this kind of profiles po, we have to undergo a proper application because we would like to guarantee naman po na yung ating mga partners are really willing to grow with us, na hindi lang po mag-trial and error since this is already structured. Mamaya po, we will share it with you na itong pong program na to is pag once you enter, we will grow with you. Meron po tayong mga susundan na step na alam namin na if you follow it vigorously is mas mapapalapit po tayo sa success upon entering this program. And for our dealers naman po, we also have kung paano po namin siya na-build. Kilala po namin kung sino po yung mga gusto namin maging kapartner. So ito po yung mga gusto ng protected territory, gusto rin po ng volume economics, gusto nila yung maramihan kagad. And then gusto rin ng merong exclusive distribution rights. So ito po yung mga existing Horeca suppliers na nagsiservice na sa mga restaurants, hotels, and of course yung mga catering accounts meron na sila. And then we're also looking for this tire, yung mga business owners na na ready na yung yung pong kapital. So gusto na lang nila is mag-vertically integrate do sa existing business nila, and then gusto rin po nila yung secure yung supply. And this tire as well is made for operating business investors. Sila po yung mga naghahanap talaga ng mga partner na mayroong real operations. So hindi po siya, and then they are not also looking for franchise or yung multi-level. So ito po yung program naman na para sa kanila. And of course, this dealership is also open for distributor, yung meron ng distributorship, yung mga under na sa fast-moving consumer goods na produkto, and then they're also wholesale traders, and then pwede rin po to sa mga family enterprises, and other pa po na as long as you're ready for volume operations, this one is for you. On terms of reseller and dealership, parehas lang naman po to. It just depends on dun sa operation and scale na gusto po ninyo na pasukan. And let us also clarify na ito pong program na to is not made na para sa lahat, no? So if you're looking for a passive income lang na na ayaw mo yung merong customer engagement, just like this, the next one is yung mga active resellers po. This one is not made for you, no? So, and then hindi rin po to get rich quick na scheme, no? So if you're looking for recruitment base, this one is not for you. And if you don't know how to follow yung mga terms and conditions, margin rule breakers, so this one is not for you. So if you are not on the list listed po, please stay in this webinar, and let's see if this will be a fit na opportunity for the both of us. So now, let's go po to our kapartner two-tier na program. So there are currently two existing program. The first one po is yung reseller. Ito po yung mga gusto pa lang mag-start. And then meron naman po tayo do sa dealer naman. Ito naman po yung mga gusto nang mag-seek for a bigger volumes, no? So for the reseller, ito po yung mga for part-time. Mababa muna po yung puhunan, and then mabilis lang din magsimula. So this one is for you. And ang kagandahan po with our reseller program is meron tayong mga tire from casual, active, and hustler. Ipapakita po namin yan sa inyo mamaya. For dealers naman, ito po yung mga gusto ng bigger volume orders, and then gusto rin nila yung meron silang sariling protected territory. And of course, dito po pumapasok yung mga highest margin naman na nakukuha per pack, no? So this is the same brand, same support lang din po. But of course, for dealer, merong mas wider na support. Ang pinagkaiba lang, as I've mentioned a while ago, iba lang po yung scale ng mga program na meron dito, no? So for community reseller, of course, we have the special pricing. Mamaya po makikita ninyo yung guaranteed margin na we can offer to you. And then meron din po yung kagandahan upon entering this program is that yung pong inyong investment is not purely enrollment. So meron po siyang kasamang product inventory, no? So you are ready to sell upon enrolling with us. And of course, it includes yung customized physical tarpaulin. Nakikita po ninyo na hindi lang po kami na bebentahan kayo and then bahala na. So with Supreme Catch is from the first day po na you join with us, we are ready to support you from day 1, day 2, on the 30th day, we will onboard you. And of course, we will grow with you. Kaya nga po, katulad na lang po ng susunod is, we have a digital marketing kit that we will update from time to time na you will get your resources kung paano nyo po siya ma-utilize and kung paano pa i-grow yung current na business once you're enrolled with us. And ang kagandahan pa po with our partnership, sabi nga namin, hindi namin kayo papabayaan lang kung paano nyo i-conduct yung ating partnership. We will give you ongoing training and support. So makikita nyo po mamaya along the way na bibigyan namin kayo ng mga schedules, bibigyan namin kayo ng paraan kung paano nyo po mapapalago ang ating partnership. And then also, if you enrolled with our community reseller program, is in time na lumaki po ang inyong uh, community and your partnership with us, there will be an invitation eligibility pagka po gusto ninyong pumunta sa dealer tire. So as you can see, once you enter the reseller, we will try our best na magkaroon po kayo ng opportunity na maging dealer as soon as possible na nakita po ninyo yung opportunity with us. As long, of course, the territory is still free. No? And then, of course, the city dealer naman po, ito po yung mga lowest pricing. No? Nakukuha nyo po siya at the factory offered price. So, pinakamababa na kaya po namin maibigay if you are a dealer. And as mentioned a while ago, once you're a dealer, you have the exclusive territorial assignment na. So this is a protected space for you to conduct your Supreme Catch business. And also, we will give you the customized physical branding materials para po you can have your own branding, especially your trading business. So makikita po talaga doon is si Supreme Catch plus your trading business na meron ding sariling branding. And of course, ang hindi mawawala yung pong comprehensive digital marketing kit na naibibigay namin sa inyo. This is a link na wherein from time to time you need ng resources and then you'd like to grow your business as easy as clicking your laptop, your cell phone. You can reach it out and then you can start executing it. And then, of course, you will receive a priority support from us. And then, ang kagandahan pa po sa dealership is meron po tayong tinatawag na performance perks and incentives na wherein you will give you spotlight as a kapartner. Magkakaroon din po tayo ng mga monthly coaching sessions with you para mapag-aralan at ma-personalize po yung inyong area. And then, of course, once you reach your volume, magkakaroon po tayo ng volume rebate eligibility. No? So as you can see po, no, once you enter with us, talagang inaaral na namin kung how are you going to grow with us. Kasi we know that we will only grow if you grow. So sabay po tayong magpapalaki ng ating business, whether you enter the resellership program or yung dealership program na natin. So currently, this is our products. No? Kung makikita nyo, very minimal because we want a focus on our market. We don't like you to bombard with different SKUs na dapat ang dami ninyong stocks. Ang gusto ho natin is we know na meron po kayong deep product knowledge and then alam naman natin na ito lang naman din yung mga fast moving so you can easily earn without any more the problem of handling large SKUs and inventories. So the first one is ito po yung mga deboned milkfish natin. These are frozen. Meron po tayong mga different flavors. And next po is meron din po tayo itong smoke, relleno, and ang pinakamadali and pinaka-fast moving po natin ngayon is yung mga bangus sardines natin. This is also have the original and then the spicy flavor. So this is our current product line. Though we look forward po on scaling more our SKUs, but we believe dito pa lang po sa existing na meron tayo na to is makakapag-start na kayo ng mabilis and you can grow your volume ng pinakamabilis depende po sa effort ninyo nang wala na kayong ina-handle na malaki pang operations or malaking inventory. So now, let me proceed naman po pagdating dun sa transparent na economics natin on how we do our margins for you. So as you can see po dito, you are guaranteed with a margin of 40 pesos per SKU. So inassure namin na yan po yung minimum nakikitain ninyo at every time that you move product. So ang goal lang naman po natin dito is product movement. As long as you are moving your product, as you are doing kung ano po yung mga ituturo namin sa inyo, whether that is online or offline, you are guaranteed of 40 pesos per SKU. As set on this example po is our sardines na wherein ang ating SRP is 195 pesos. So your buy price to us is 155 pesos lang siya. So on the next slide is, kung makikita nyo po, is very clear with our numbers. So real SRPs, we will fix on that. And yung pong inyong margin are also intact, whether that is a signature line or traded goods. So we don't compute percentage anymore. We assured na inintact namin yung pong 40 pesos at the minimum you are earning po dyan sa ating reseller program. And next, we are also ready on once you already had a deeper know-how on doing our business, we will also later give you eligibility na to expand to other consumers like Horeca and institutional. Ito po yung tinatawag natin for the food service line. So meron po itong mga bigger packaging, meron din po ito yung mga niluluto na lang and na pwede nang iserve sa mga restaurants or sa mga caterings at kung saan-saan pa. As you can see, meron din po ito para sa mga sinigang cut. But for dealers, this is already readily available for distribution once you enrolled with us. So kung makikita po ninyo no, na hindi po kami nag-i-stick doon sa upon your entry. Iniisip na po namin kung pagka nagkaroon na kami ng mga partner na ready to grow with us, we already have the structure and the program na mag-grow na, apply na lang ninyo and then you grow with it. So, we also detected na sa mga reseller po is there would be yung mga gusto lang ng additional income, gusto lang ng meron lang muna mapagkabalahan na extra and of course kumita din. Ito po yung mga tawag namin na casual operators. So, there are an opportunity na monthly, kaya po natin kumita ng 4,800. So, ang product volume po ninyo rito on a weekly basis is around 30 packs lang. So, sila pa lang yung mga nagbebenta sa mga family, sa mga friends na network ninyo. So, we do this on a part-time. Ito naman po is yung another one is, ito naman po yung mga nakakapag-move na ng 75 packs per week. So, more or less yan na yung movement ng produkto nila. Talagang they look at this opportunity as a side hustle na, yun na po yung facing nila. And then meron na silang, ang ginagamit na po nilang ways para makabenta is ito na po yung mga for community, nagtatouch na sila ng community nila. Plus, meron na rin po silang online selling. This is what we call ito po yung mga active operators natin na meron na rin opportunity to earn monthly at 12,000 pesos. Imagine that one po, no? Side hustle mo, you do it at around 4 hours to 8 hours per week or maybe 1 hour per day lang. You have the opportunity to earn 12,000 pesos. Anyway, parang hindi naman po talaga na masama, di ba? If you're going to do this business, you just follow yung mga ituturo namin sa inyo. At the rate of your income as additional is 4,800 to 12,000 pesos. Sa mahal po ng pamimili ngayon, I know makakatulong na po yan. Kahit pambayad ng kuryente, malaking bagay na po siya. But if you're really serious on doing this business, if you're like na kumita na ng alam mong na gusto mo na siyang mag-transition and to really go serious at it, ito po yung mga tawag namin na is mga hustler na operators na wherein yung movement na po ng volume nila it's 150,000 packs, 150 packs per week. So it gives you the minimum of 24,000 per month of income per month. So ito na po yung mga marami ng mga repeat buyers, no? So of course kung mas magiging malakas yung negosyo, yung hanap buhay, pagka push ka ng push, and of course this gives you a very good opportunity na wala pong ceiling ang kaya ninyong kitain as long as madiskarte, masipag at marunong pong sumunod doon sa program na binibigay namin sa inyo. Ang mga ways naman po kung paano kayo kumita and kung paano siya makabenta and then kung saan, ito po hindi na mawawala yung yung online, no? So, ang pinaka-prominent po ng mga platforms ngayon is yung FB and yung Viber. Meron po yung mga nag-FB Live, messenger orders, no? Yung mga orders po darating yan talaga through messengers. And then pwede po namin kayong turuan ng mga ibang platforms pa sa online, no? So next naman, ito po yung pinakamadali and alam po namin na kayo meron na nito is kung tawagin namin is Tapat Network. Ito po yung mga si kapitbahay, si kaibigan, si office mates, si kumare. So ito is more on yung trust base na parang bibili ako nito, panigurado masarap to kasi si kumare ang nagbenta, si kumpare ang nag-refer sa akin, kaya hindi na ako magdadalawang isip, ito-try ko na siya. And then, as we have said to you a while ago, na we guarantee that our product is quality and talagang magugustuhan ng inyong market. Ito na pumapasok yung paulit-ulit na yung repeat na purchase dito po sa inyong Tapat Network, no? Until you grow your business with us. And of course, for the dealer, ito na po yung meron ka ng sariling assigned area, meron ka na rin, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong reseller. Pag po dealer po pala, is yung pong mga reseller dyan sa area, they are authorized to buy from you. No? So, of course, you can also get your own reseller as long as they enter our program and enroll with us. So, lahat po ng channels na meron na pinapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon is from the very start, we will support you. Whether that is content, script, materials, print ads, at kung mga ano-ano pa. Sabi nga po namin sa inyo kanina, you will have your own resources at your smartphone. Sa smartphone nyo lang po, smartphone lang, you can start doing your business. Yung pong program, nandyan na po siya kagad. So, let me show you para po at least, para lang makita ninyo na even with your phone, you can start doing business. So, ito po siya. So, there would be a link na provided para sa inyo. And then, after that, you just follow kung ano yung mga instructions. So, there will be files, no? So, parang malabo siya, hindi siya makita. Pero, ayun nga po, we just, with your phone, you get to access it na, no? So, simple as that. And, ito po yung mga continuing growth support na may bibigay namin sa inyo. Katulad po ng pinapakita ko kani-kanina, is yung pong mga marketing assets, pictures, videos, ika-copy at ipe-paste nyo na lang po doon sa sarili ninyong mga platforms, no? And social media handles. So wala na pong pag-generate. But if you want to customize it, meron din po nun para sa inyo. And then sales resources, nandyan na. And then under our dealer, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga one-on-one coaching. Fully customized and personalized for your territory. And then if you are already on the hustler stage, we can schedule one-on-one coaching para po mag-grow na mag-grow ang inyong negosyo. And then we will also teach you on how to handle different platforms, Facebook, TikTok, at kung ano-ano pa pong available na magiging bago. Even AI, we will teach you on how to utilize AI. And we will always encourage you to join our growth webinars. So magkakaroon po tayo ng mga monthly webinars wherein we will train you, i-update namin kayo sa mga bago, and then we will tell you secrets, and then we will also share testimonials doon po sa mga nagiging successful na mga partners natin. And I hope one day, kayo naman po yung i-feature natin sa ating mga growth webinars, no? So, also, I'd like to share with you, meron po kami tinatawag na kapatid referral program. So, just like right now, you are not yet a partner. If you'd like to refer someone po, no, na gustong mag-join in this kind of structured program, na alam niyo na very fit in this kind of program, you can share it with us. So you can share it with our team. We will share with you yung pong aming mga contact. Alam ko naman po na you're already in contact with my team members po, no? So just share it with us para po sila po yung makinabang with this kind of opportunity, no? Just share it with us. But once you enroll with us, of course, meron pa rin po tayong tinatawag na kapatid referral program. So there is a referral fees naman na binibigay namin sa inyo. Though this is not recruitment based, pero 'di ba? At least nare-reward po tayo do sa ating mga referrals, no? So simple as that, share the link, share the business, and then once they signed up, you'll receive the payout po. So to join, ayan po, just get in touch with one of our partner support, no? So, but right now we have our founding members building up. So, meron din po tayong mga mid-year promo na kinakandaps. All year long, meron po tayong mga promos na ibibigay sa inyo. So, we assure you na ito pong mga program na to is magiging beneficial for everybody. No, na wherein yung pong growth na gusto ninyong gawin is hindi siya basta-basta lang mangyari, structured and as well po ano siya napagtutulungan talaga. And then ang kagandahan with this kind of program po is hindi lang tayo yung magtutulungan. So we are in a community na, no, na pwedeng mangyari na makatulong tayo doon sa bawat isa, na hindi lang po sa amin manggagaling yung efforts, kung hindi sa other partners din na makakasama ho natin with this Supreme Catch journey, no? So again po, if you have question, just kindly get in touch with our partner support team. We are very willing na i-welcome kayo with our program. As I've mentioned po kanina sa ating umpisa pa lang, na this program is curated para sa inyo. This program is created for the people who'd like to explore something na meron pang kayang i-offer. This program also is an opportunity para at least maibigay pa kung ano pa yung pwedeng opportunity na meron in your skill set, in your competency. So again po, if you have questions, just kindly visit our Facebook page. You can also visit our website po at www.supremecatch.ph. Nandun po lahat ng mga details po natin, no? And as well, if yung pong mga social media handles po natin are readily available. And you can also get in touch with other dealers in your area if meron na po. No? So again, thank you very much for joining us. We are very excited po na makasama kayo in the Supreme Catch journey, and then matawag po namin kayo na kapartner. Again, thank you very much for your time. This is Dane Lavarias. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.